Hi folks, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to have a little bit of fun. I'm going to be making a proper British cup of tea. Now, I already know there's going to be half of the British public that are going to be triggered, so I really do look forward to the comments on this one. But, here we go. Right, so first of all, you need a mug, nice and clean. Now, common wisdom is you put the tea bag in first. Now, I don't agree with this, because what happens is, you put the tea bag in, you put the water in, and then you end up with this filmy, nasty scumminess all over. What you want to do is put the milk in first. Now, this is going to trigger so many people, but bear with me. Yes, I'm using long life milk because I don't have a fridge here, so savagery is needed. So, a little bit of milk, I need a splash. Now, here's the key. You don't want to submerge the tea bag because you'll block all the pores and then you'll never get the flavour out. So, milk in first, and then that just rests on top, see, floats. Now, using the water, you need to come from a height, hopefully I can frame this and see, because you need air, lots of air in there. There you go, just like that, top it up. Now, at this point, you'd add your sugar. Now, I'm sweet enough, so I don't have sugar. I mean, if you want proof, ask anybody. Anybody thinks I'm an absolute fucking delight. So, no sugar for me. But yeah, you can see that none of the pores are blocked. We get some nice colour coming out of that tea bag. Now, I prefer Tetley, but you know, you can choose whatever vintage you want. So look at that. Just give it a nice little steep. Now, I want to squeeze it. You want to roll it around, roll it and roll it and roll it, and then all you want is just a little squeeze at the end. There you go. I'll leave that there. I'll sort that out in a second. One proper British cup of tea. So, as I said, I can guarantee some of you are triggered, some of you are going to be cringing right now. One, because I use long life milk, two, I use the plastic spoon. But I don't have any running water here and I don't have a fridge, so plastic spoons are nice and easy. Don't have to worry about washing shit up. And obviously, you know, long life milk. So yeah, I look forward to some of the comments. Yeah, please like or do what you like. Subscribe to the channel for more comedy. Or more cars, more tea. I don't care. Follow me on social media, and I'll see you for the next one. Catch you later. Bye.